I can hear you, kid. That's sick. I can hear you. Yeah.
That's not a cough. A fake one.
Fake? Fake cough?
Yeah. I can hear you, that's sick. That's for sick people. Don't touch my stuff.
Y'all.
Ew, stop. I thought you're sick, yeah.
I told you that I'm sick.
I can't hear you.
I told you I am sick.
I can't hear you, Dad. I can't hear you. You want some medicine, Kim? I can't hear you. Well, you're not sick, so. Are you sick? Stop playing with my stuff.
I'm playing with my stuff.
You're not sick, I can hear you.
I'm not sick. I can hear you.
Are you sick?
I'm sick?
No?
No.
I guess you don't want no candy. Your medicine. Want medicine? I can't hear you. You're sick. You're not sick. I'll do that thing. Can you ready, Q? Faster. Ew! Faster. Spit on me. Faster. Faster. Faster.
Ow.
Faster. Go the other way. Faster, right?